megalayapost.news
ban kantiu ki kam than jan bat ki kam thir ksai kham tam ba kari boy district ka de na ka district ka bala pau bha ka jingpan mi ki jan rindia ka office ka district handloom officer ka lapan long dak wai ka program kerpang bala tep kum ka looms and links ka ba de karun san ban kantiu ki nong than jan bat nong thir ksai bar ru ban pan pau prathai ya ki jan ba ki than leng ba ka yau ya pani nam ka ba arsungi lanter ya ka ne ka program lawan ban play da principal secretary ka tana textile uba fs khar kongor kum kongsan bat deputy commissioner kari boy wabilash barnwal kum sembut kongsan ki wei ki blai don lang ki kantup ya kakong MR Luan kum ka director katana handloom kakong Monica Lingdo zonal head katana handloom uba Daniel CM uway no fashion designer bapau ha kajala kakong DP Taryang ka district handloom officer lembat ki officer harungkat ki SHG bat kinong tanjan na ki district bapher kumbalapan pau do principal secretary katana textile uba FS Kharkongor long baka jing penlong ya kini ke program kalong sibentaban aila ikinong tanjan bakin penya yaw ya ki jan baki tan baru ban penlong ya kayaw banwan poi kinong thiet iki jan baki penmi kabalong sibenta kamai kaji ya kinong tanjan ulapan paru baka jala Meghalaya kalayo ru ya kata kanam baka jan rindia bapan mi na kani ka jala kamtam na riboy kalayo ya ka GI tag hak baka ni kan pen pau syak porthai ya ka jinglong turai jam kinong tan bapan mi ya ki jan rindia shushu ula ong ru da ka bapan long ya kum kini ki program kindon ki jing ya kran ber ki jing ya tai hapdeng kinong tanjan bat ki fashion designer kumno bandang la ban penya yo ya ki jan kamtam ka jan rindia baru da ka bapan long ya kum kini ki program kan prila ikinong tanjan bakin la ban penya yo ya ki jan baki mi nethan hakir kom bapher.
I always say this in my life that I believe in angels, and sometimes angels can be people who come into your life and help shape you as a person and mold you as a person. That person who I met 20 years ago was an officer in the Agriculture Department. His name was Nelson Lingdo. Unfortunately, he passed away a few years ago, but his legacy lives on. So when I met Lenny, I was doing other jobs, I was doing various things in my life. I was working in a nightclub. I was very unsure of what I wanted to do in my life. Even though fashion was always my true calling, it was always something which I wanted to do. So Lenny would come to me and he would be like, Adan, I know you love fashion. I work with these weavers and people are strict. Why don't you come and see what we're doing and we need somebody who can help us to know this fabric. I didn't take it so seriously in the beginning. I was like, it's just one of those jobs. And then finally I decided to come down here to the Uber district. And I came and let me exactly the same thing. He was sitting in an office up there. And we started having this conversation. He's like, he was talking about all these viewers and the face and when he kira start bandi kanika Japan time company market in time he wanted somebody when we have to promote kanika time and that's why people come here he wants Spanish and South America and he needs to time. So I get to you are here, I want to be in South India. So it is fortunate on my part that I am from a district which has been over beautiful India fabric and simultaneously we work in a government in which there are so many opportunities that are coming up for opposite farmers and leaders. Simultaneously, I was trying to say that in support of the government, sir, we are actively working towards ensuring that there is sufficient yarn availability within the whole district, which will be crucial for our leaders as well, so that they do not have to depend on Assam fabrics. Simultaneously, if there is anything that we can do from this administration, we are more than happy to assist on whatever front we need. So that's all for my end, sir. Thank you for your leadership, thank you for your constant support to the leaders and the many farmers of the Uber district. And we look forward to continuous engagement so that they can ready out from being a source of pride and also become a source of enhanced earnings for farmers and leaders.
Kani ka program ka bangidan daski kawai kadai bangin encourage ya kani ka marketing mo by sales meet ko te hangni pi ran ki society kita nong than bawan keleng jong district but kita ru bawan nabar jong district te kompetitif macam senam unu India la yo GI tag but la yo ada gajing itu te yakni center ru ke center ke supply macam senam kau di integrated textile tourism center Jaga restaurant area ikut ke design economic center for excellence of Amsa Silk but kajing temu hi kadai ba ikwa ba bangin yo bangin penya yo susu ya gini ga India but kendon ru kajing kendo hapdeng ki stakeholders but kini ginong time that's why ba Daniel CM idi designer baju don kam ya kini ki long ini India mengkapor iru idon nang ni di principal jong ka Bajoria school kidon ka fashion school makiru kidon ki students kita on lengkap bagi students makiru kidon kami ya ka raw material mengkapor kenang bagi la bagin penon kam aki workshop jong ki but bergadairu ke area bagi wan ki tourist ni di bawan sugar restaurant kin yo galat wan pet ya kini ki mar ki mata ni but katahi ke dikajing thumu ko koi ka theme jong kini ka program mo ki on where heritage meets horizon and where threats meet trade mo kumno begin pinkentio ya ka marketing kumno begin long ini penikendo yagi long yagi nong yagi nong time bagi nong thiet mo di buyers and sellers kata hai di mo but kene kadai kawai ni ki tagi program but kadang yai petang mo kene kadai the first program that bring don ha hone usnam but indang yai petang mentah na gini but in said but kene hi kene ka jakaru kadai kawai ni ki jakar bangi kwa bangin persang ba kandlong kata ka kayo mo kabanang ya na kapor sa kapor ha because wai layo GI tag ta mor kladon ka jingi tho pinara gini gitar sinu ru pinara si dukan ba he pinara si big cities ru wai piong GI tag ta mor kladon ka no ka kladon ka trademark mo kladon ka ni ka authenticity ba kini ka trademark for example like Darjeeling tea wai pinadi ya ka Darjeeling tea kladon ka GI tag ban pini thu ba kini kadisha kata authentic Darjeeling tea te kani ka India ro menta layo ni GI tag we filong ni GI tag kala pentiu hi ya ka status mo kala ka brand nong no
Megalayapost.news